Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to disable or enable memory integrity in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Core isolation is a security measure that protects system processes on Windows from malware by keeping them separate from the operating system and its devices. Windows uses virtualization to make this happen. Memory integrity, which is part of core isolation, only separates high-security processes from the rest, preventing malware from accessing them during an attack. To turn off or on memory integrity, go to the search bar and search for Windows Security app and open it. Then click on Device Security, and under Core Isolation click on Core Isolation Details. Then turn off or on memory integrity, based on your preference. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.